हम लोगों ने चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था द लिटिल गर्ल. वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग दिस चैप्टर, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. एट द लास्ट हम लोगों ने देखा था कि जो लिटिल गर्ल थी वो फंबल करती थी अपने फादर के आगे. शी वॉज स्टटरिंग. उसका रीजन क्या था? उसका रीजन ये नहीं था कि उसको कोई मेडिकल इशू है या कोई प्रॉब्लम है. रादर उसका रीजन ये था कि वो अपने फादर से डरती थी, जिसकी वजह से वो अपने वर्ड्स एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाती थी. तो नाउ आगे क्या होता है, फादर बोलते हैं कि इफ यू स्टटर्ड लाइक द डॉक्टर, तो अगर तुम ऐसे ही फंबल करोगी तो तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना पड़ेगा मदर को. शी नेवर स्टार्टेड विद अदर पीपल, हैड क्वाइट गिवन इट अप, बट ओनली विद फादर बिकॉज देन शी वाज ट्राइंग सो हार्ड टू से द वर्ड्स प्रॉपर्ली. तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि उसका रीजन सिर्फ यही था कि शी वाज अफ्रेड ऑफ हिज फादर. व्हाट्स द मैटर, व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग सो रेस्ट अबाउट? रेस्ट मतलब होता है अनहैप्पी. मदर, आई विश यू टॉट दिस चाइल्ड नॉट टू अपीयर ऑन द ब्रिंक ऑफ सुसाइड. So अब फादर बेसिकली उसको बोल रहे हैं कि what's wrong with you? Why are you so unhappy? What are you unhappy about? After that, father asked Kezia to keep the teacup back to the table carefully. Appearance, there is a character sketch of the father given कि वो उसके जो फादर के जो हैंड्स थे, नेक थी, स्पेशली जो उनका माउथ था जब वो यॉन करते थे, everything was so big. Was like thinking about something giant. Giant मतलब होता है very large. तो अगर एक अकेले उनके बारे में भी हम सोचें तो इसका मतलब क्या है, किसी बहुत बड़े एलिमेंट्स के बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं. Following this, on Sunday afternoon, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. तो होता क्या है कि on Sunday grandmother little girl को केजिया को नीचे भेज देती है so that she can have a conversation with her mother and father. When she goes down on Sundays, or she always find her mother reading the newspaper and her father stretched on the sofa and handkerchief on his face, his feet are on the best cushion and he sleeps soundly. So this is a scenario and all. ये exactly fourth stanza के बारे में pictorial representation यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. When she reached there, she sat on the stool, gravely watched him until he woke her and stretched and asked the time, then looked at her. So once she reached, she sat on the stool and gravely watched him. Like he asked Kezia for the time. And also he says कि Kezia ऐसे मत देखो, you look like a little brown owl. One day she was kept indoors with a cold. Her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. So एक दिन वो अपनी grandmother के साथ बैठी हुई थी और उसकी grandmother ने suggest किया कि you should make a pin cushion with this beautiful piece of yellow silk and for your father's birthday. Laboriously with a double cotton, little girl stitched three sides. तो उसने क्या किया? Laboriously मतलब होता है with a lot of efforts, like too much difficulty. तो उसने डबल कॉटन के साथ और उसकी 3 साइड्स को स्टिच करा, लेकिन जो 4th साइड थी उसको स्टिच अभी नहीं किया था. Rather she was thinking to fill something. So before stitching it, her grandmother was not there in the home. She was in the garden. तो वो जाती है रूम में and she found sheets of fine paper. She gathered them, she tore them into the pieces and stuffed her case, like stuffed that pillow and then stitched the 4th side. And she wandered into mother's. Wandered का मतलब होता है इधर से उधर घूमना, like चलना. She wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scrap. On the table she discovered, like she found a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them, tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her case and then stitched the 4th side. So this is how she ended up making a present for his father. That night there was a hue and cry. बहुत शोर हल्ला था, angry protest type होता है, like बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा था फादर को. Why? The reason was that father's great speech for the port authority had been lost. उनकी जो port authority की speech थी वो गुम हो गई थी. Rooms were searched, servants से question किया गया and finally जो केसिया की मदर है केसिया के रूम में जाती है और उनको बोलती है I suppose कि तुमने तो नहीं देखे होंगे पेपर ऑन टेबल इन आवर रूम. हमारे रूम में तुमने तो नहीं देखे होंगे पेपर टेबल पे. तो कहती है ओ यस आई टोर देम अप फॉर माई सरप्राइज, और उसने वो पेजेस फाड़ दिए होते हैं फॉर हर सरप्राइज. What? screamed mother. Mother गुस्सा होती है. What? वो कहती है immediately नीचे आओ drawing room में. And she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro. To and fro is the movement. जैसे pendulum की movement होती है. To and fro कि पहले यहाँ जा रहा है, then यहाँ वापस, then again. So this is to and fro movement. The father was roaming there and she went down. She was very afraid. एक तो already उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता था and now she did this mistake due to which she was more afraid. Well, he said sharply. Mother explained. He stopped and stared at the child. Mother tried to explain, but father stopped her, and father was looking to his child. Did you do that? So she was again fumbling. No, 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 she whispered. She was very afraid. Mother, go up to her room and fetch on the damn thing. See that the child put to bed at this instant. So, mother, उन्होंने बोला कि जाओ अब मतलब कीजिया की mother को and get those pages, like get those stuff to me. Here we have covered 2 pages. I hope कि आपको clear होगा. आगे का chapter हम लोग next video में cover करेंगे. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and also do share with your friends. Thank you.